You right, guys? Bye-bye. You right? Bye-bye. Come on. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Push down, then pull up on your left bar. And then you can put it to your right.
Hello? Can you run this over there?
Gates are closed.
I thought that was Hayden. All I seen was his back, and I was like, ooh.
For your safety, please keep all parts of your body inside the vehicle at all. No standing. And guess what? Chicken butt. Am I not funny to you?
Good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You right? Bye.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
I got this. Oh.
Bye.
Okay. Does this one hurt?
I told you it hurts.
Oh no. There's like no padding on this seat, bro. So how's your day?
Horrible. Because you
too.
won't ride rides with me.
I don't want to ride.
Will you ride that blue one?
I don't know about that.
Will you ride?
I'll ride those.
What? Really? Go ride this.
Look at that big storm. Oh my god. Dude, that hurt so bad.
I told you. I told you. And you didn't listen to me.